Unlock a world of convenient grocery shopping with your EBT card, delivered right to your doorstep via Uber Eats. First, open your Uber Eats app and tap the account icon in the bottom right corner. It looks like a little person. Next, navigate to the wallet section. You'll usually find it listed among your account options. Tap Add Payment Method and then select the EBT card option. This will begin the process of linking your card to your account. Carefully enter your EBT card number and your full name exactly as it appears on your card. Double-check everything for accuracy. Now to find eligible stores. Use the filter at the top of the screen and select EBT Accepted. This will show you all the participating grocery stores near you. When browsing the store, look for items marked as EBT eligible. These are the items you can purchase with your EBT funds. At checkout, make sure your EBT card is selected as the payment method. You may need to add another payment method to cover fees or non-eligible items. Review your order carefully and then tap Place Order. Your EBT card will be charged for the eligible items, making grocery shopping easier than ever.